I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a half up, half down, and my local beauty supply store did not have the color nor the length that I needed in Breezy Wave, so I ended up getting Model the Gardenia Master Mix Crimp Wave 24-inch in 1B, 27, and 613. So this is what we'll be using today. I already have my braid down. And this is clean hair. No product is in this hair. And I already have my little ponytail already up here, so we are good to go.
Your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule the nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. Your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule the nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie. Sorry, they say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
So this is the end results. I've been literally sitting here playing with it for like the last like 10 minutes. I don't like my ponytail. I feel like I could have set it up just a little bit higher and put more of my braid in, like half my braid. I did like a third of my braid so it doesn't really sit up. But I didn't want it to be like on top of my head like this. I think that's so ghetto. But it needed to sit up just a little bit more. But overall, I would give it, like right now, I would rate this as a 7 out of 10. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and most importantly, subscribe so you can continue to see me experiment on my hair because this is fun. So yeah, keep tuning in and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Bye. See y'all. Okay, now I like my hair.
Right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, pride that they got.